Today I'm going to show you how I made a quick gift, a popcorn tower with several different types of popcorn, some boxes from the Dollar Tree, and my cute little pajamas. So we're going to start out by clearing off my dining room table, assembling the boxes, and I bought 3 different types of boxes, as you'll be able to see. And I like to keep things pretty organized and kind of like a little system because I put each flavor. There's my cute little fit check in each different type of box. So the first flavor is strawberry champagne, which I'm going to put in this first set of boxes and just kind of pour and adjust the fillings for each box. The second is a snickerdoodle type flavor, and I'm going to put that in the second type of box. And the third flavor is caramel, so yummy. Haven't tried that freezer trick yet, but maybe I'll have to. And pouring that in the third type of box. Here you'll see all the different kinds of popcorn I put in the different types of boxes, and here we are assembling. And it honestly didn't take that much time, and it was fun to kind of do something that was a little bit rote and a little bit mindless, knowing that I was going to give these towers to people who were going to sit and chill and watch movies with their loved ones. And by the way, this costs approximately 25 bucks, maybe a little bit more. It wasn't super expensive, and I was able to, I think, make like 8 different towers of popcorn for different people in my family as just quick gifts. You do the quick math on that. 8 families, 3 different types of popcorn with all these boxes. It's like $3 or $4 bucks. So that's not bad at all. It's pretty budget friendly. It was fun to make. It was easy to make. And maybe next year I will be doing this with my nephews, because they're really fun to work with. Too simple, so I can take direction and not be more work. And we are just taping the boxes together. These are the different types of boxes. I don't think I got the blooper on this, but the first time I did it, I didn't do the bottom, and it like fell apart. So I just sweep it up and clean up that bottom. Here we are, taping them first on the bottom. Yes, the blooper is together. Then I'm going to tape all the boxes together. This one. Stickers for the different